Hey, what's going on, Backyard Smoke? It's your host James, and I'm here today to show you guys how to make juicy chicken breast. Now, I know a lot of people talk about chicken is hard on the grill, it always comes out dry. Well, today I'm going to show you a little trick that I use to keep all my chicken breasts nice and moist. So we're going to be cooking this on the rubber kettle. We're going to be cooking it at around 225 to 240 degrees Fahrenheit, and time wise it's going to depend on the size of the bird. We have a few large breasts and a couple of small breasts, so that's going to vary. What I'm going to show you guys how to do is to inject it, season it, and place it on the grill. And we're going to use our Thermo Pro gauge today to kind of gauge the temperature. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this food started and get it prepped. Alright, so as you can see, we have 4 pretty nice sized chicken breasts. We got these straight from the store. We didn't do anything to them at all, no brine, no trim. We're going to leave them as is. All we did do, however, was dab them off with some paper towels. These are a bit of bone in. These are full breasts, not boneless. So the first thing that we're going to do here is use our Zatarain's Creole injection. This Creole butter is going to really help us out and get things in line. Forgive the screaming, the little ones are out having fun. That's what summertime is all about. And we're not going to be in a particular way. Just want to get it deep into the breast here and really start to let it go. Alright, so now that we have our injections done, we're going to start with our seasonings. We're going to start with our Zatarain's Creole today for 2 of these, which will be the big ones. We're just going to shoot these on real good. So what we're going to do right here is set up the grill for indirect cooking. We got some apple wood sitting on the inside of the coals, and the temperature we're trying to go for today is between 275 and 300. The goal was to stay close to 275 as possible. So once this wood burns off and the dirty smoke leaves, we'll go ahead and put the chicken on. So one of the main things that you want to do is keep the thick pieces closest to the fire. What this is going to do is allow them to get done just a little bit faster, as they can take the heat. They're a lot heavier. Keep the thin pieces on the far side. That way you don't overcook them. The thick pieces are where you inject a lot of the juices at anyway, so they're still going to be juicy. Just keep them nice and close and keep the thin pieces away, and you'll be all right. Alright, so we out here probing the meat. It's been a little bit more than an hour. I just figured I'd let it ride. Small piece sitting at 127, 142, 138, and 125. So kind of what I thought would be happening. The bigger piece is going to take longer. But right now what we're going to do is we're going to get some sear marks on this one. And this one. These are 2 with the homemade rub. So we'll get the sear marks on these. just for the looks. You don't have to do this. I like to do it. We'll let it close. And we'll just actually stand here for the next 2 minutes and let these run. Okay. All right, so we got a couple of birds here that we pulled. These are some of the smaller ones. We pulled them at about 162 to 165. So let's go ahead. This will be our rub with the hickory. As you can see, we still got juices. The main thing I was trying to show you guys is you want juicy pieces. And this is what you're going to get. Really nice, really juicy, flavorful pieces. You're going to get a lot of rub. You're going to get a lot of the injection. And that's the key, is the injection is what's going to help keep it moist. Want a piece, little mama? Want a piece, big man?
Yeah.
And you can use this on sausages. You can use this on salads, just regular eats. It's hot. That's hot? That's too hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's do one of these.
I'll eat it.
That's what you're looking for. So guys, you try this. This only takes a little bit of time.
And push the button right there for the poop.
Like the little man said, subscribe, push the button for the more videos.
For the poo-too. Poo-too. Put the bucket and took it and put the bucket to the bottom. Poo-too.
Now we got to get out of here because the rain's about to come. But it's been nice. I thank you guys for watching. There you go. Take it, it's not hot. So unfortunately, we got some tornado sirens going off, so I'm glad we got some cuts done early. But if you guys like what you see, feel free to subscribe, check out some more videos, and enjoy. The main key is here, inject your chicken breast, and I'll guarantee, for the most part, you'll have some good moisture. If you guys need anything else, feel free to holler. Put a comment down in the description. I'll always reply. Take it easy, and God bless.